Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Docker tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Docker, how to install PostgreSQL, and how to install pgAdmin in Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So let's run with the pgAdmin in the Docker and connect it with your PostgreSQL and also in Docker on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So I'll assume the server IP. I have server running the server on the VMware workstation. So my server IP is 192.168.136.128. So I'm going to access my server. So SSH dpt at the rate 192.168.136.128. So password is admin at the rate. While installing, I have given the username and password. So I'm accessing through that. So now we'll go through the step-by-step process. So here goal is that our goal is that so Postgres SQL in the Docker, pgAdmin 4 in the Docker on container, the name of the container pg16, pgAdmin 4, and both are in the same Docker network. Assign the pgAdmin via the browser. So this IP will get the pgAdmin and use the pgAdmin GUI to connect with the PostgreSQL and run in the test query. So step by step process we'll go through that. So first is that we'll update the server, then we'll install the prerequisite, then we'll install the Docker. So then we'll enable the Docker and start the Docker. So this all command I am running it once. Already we have many times we have installed the Docker. Step by step process already have shown you in the Docker installation and configuration of that. So let it install. So meanwhile we'll just discuss about that. So optional Docker run without a sudo, but you do this one. This will be useful for us, and we'll test with the Docker run hello world. So then we'll log out and log in again. So next command is this one. Then we'll create the Docker network for the PostgreSQL and pgAdmin. It makes easy to container to talk using the container names. So easily we can talk and we'll just check we create the pg net. So this is the pg net is the Docker network, and we will check this one, and this pg net, just remember this one, this will pass here. pgnet network is pgnet. Okay, so name of the Docker pgnet, username is Chirag, and password is admin at the rate 123. Our database is DemoDB. Postgres port is 5432 in both side, in container also and outside also. So we'll do this one. So let it complete. Okay, this is completed. Now I'm going to change the user mode and reboot. So our server is rebooted. So check that server is restarting. So then we'll check with the Docker hello world. Okay, started. Now let me access my server, run this command. So locally we don't have the hello world, so it will just pull the data from the repository. So pulling the from the library, and here we are getting the hello from Docker, means our Docker is working now. So next we'll create the Docker network. So created. Now we check this one, Docker network ls. So there you can get the pg net. Okay, so we are getting the Docker network. So you can check with the id is similar to you will get here. So now run the Postgres SQL container attached to pgnet. So here all the details are there: username, password, database, and volume. So we'll create the volume first. Create it. Now we'll just run this one with the pgnet. So this command is the similar command as we have running the before. So Postgres image is not locally. We have not downloaded the image, so it will just pulling from the library. So we'll move to the next. We can check the Docker and we'll check the log of the PostgreSQL 16. Look, the database system is ready to accept connection. We'll get this output. Let it complete. So next, we'll just check the PS Docker containers. Done. Now you can able to see PG 16 is there, and we have created Postgres 16 is there. So now we'll move to next. We'll just check the log also. So here database system is ready and accept the connection. Okay. We are getting this. Now this is optional but nice. Add the sample data. So we'll just access through the my host. So in host we have to install the client. So Postgres client we are installing. Then we'll connect with the pgAdmin Chirag name we have given, and this is the database name. Here while creating we have given the name of the Chirag, and password is this one, and this is the database name. So password admin at the rate 123 will pass, and we'll just create the employee detail. So, so demo DB is there. So now we'll create the employee detail table. So create table name and columns data types. So we'll pass all the things. Now I'm going to insert some data. So insert data is quite easy. Insert into your table name, then column names, then values. So insert it. Now let me check. Select extract from employees. Okay. So we're getting all the data. So next we'll see the table and run the pgAdmin 4 in the Docker GUI. So we'll create D page and image is the D page and pgAdmin 4. So choose pgAdmin email address admin at the rate local.com. This is the local username, and admin at the rate 123. This is the web login password, and 8080 port for the host, and 80 inside the container we are running, and attach the same network. This is the very important. So PG network. So we are passing all the details here, and we are running this. So quit from there and run this. So start pulling. So let it download. We'll meanwhile we'll go through the further. So again we'll check the ps command and we'll just check the log. All goods. Then pgAdmin is running. So open pgAdmin in browser. So in browser 128 our server IP and 8080 port we can open this. I'm putting this one. I'm not opening now. So let it complete. So this is a downloaded. Pull is completed and extracting. So completed. Okay. Now Docker PS. You can able to see there is a pgAdmin 4 is also there and PG 16 is there. Both the containers are there. So next I'll check with the log. So Docker logs PG admin 4. So additional everything is okay. We're not getting any error. So allow the connection. Everything okay. Let me check with this. If firewall is open, then you have to allow this port. So 120, 120, 8080 is not working. So everything is running, logs is running. Let me check one second. Once again, it will take some time to start. So here I started. Now this is my username and this is the password, capital A at the rate 123. So we have logged in, but we have not registered the server. So we have to register the server with the server details. So register there, go there. So we can give the name. So Docker name and this one. Okay. So PostgreSQL DB. I'm giving the name. Go to the connection. The host name is PG16. Okay. And port is 5432. Maintenance this one. Username is admin and password is uh, no. Username is Chirag here in my case. Chirag and password is admin at the rate 123 and putting the database name. So demo DB. So let me save this one. So connected. Now expand the databases. You can able to see the demo DB and whatever the tables we have created, you can able to find that. So employee table is there. So let me check. So view data, all rows. So three rows will be visible. So Chirag, Sanju, Dhruv, and all the details are there. We are getting the same detail. So we have inserted this one. So all the rows we can able to see. Right click on that and query tool, and you can select this one also. So pgAdmin in Docker successfully connected with the PostgreSQL in Docker and firewall not. If you are not allow the firewall, then allow the firewall. If you are still not getting, then you have to allow the firewall 8080 port. If firewall is active, then okay. In my case, my firewall is inactive. So we don't have any problem. So in this video, we have learned how to install the pgAdmin in Docker and how to access the Postgres in the same machine with the different Docker and with the same network. So step by step process we have gone through that. Disclaimer is there, all trademarks logo name belongs to their respective owner. The video is made for the educational information purpose under the Fair Act section 107 Copyright Act 1976. And follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Follow the process exactly shown in the video and share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. You drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. And subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Subscribe to Chirag tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.